Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty. I do fashion and beauty videos. Now today's video, I'm going to be sharing common fashion mistakes that women make. As always, don't forget to pass by my blog, pattyscloset.com, and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram at pattys_closet, and there you'll see more fashion, more beauty, and more outfit ideas. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be sharing some common fashion mistakes that women make, but I just want to have a little disclaimer before I start the video. This video is not intended to kind of like offend anybody. This is a lighthearted video just to kind of help us out with any fashion mistakes that us women make. This is not meant to attack anybody, and I've made fashion mistakes myself too, and it's just things that I've learned from, and I want to share some tips and tricks with you guys. Alright guys, let's jump into number one. Number one is wearing leggings as pants. Now, unless you're going to the gym or you're going for a workout, you should definitely wear something long to cover your butt if you're wearing leggings. Now, when you look at yourself in the lighting in your house, everything looks absolutely fine. But when you go outside into that natural sunlight, I promise you that you can see your undergarments. If you're not wearing a top that's long enough to cover your butt, I promise you everybody can see it. Whether you're wearing a thong, whether you're wearing underwears, whether you're not wearing underwears, I promise you it shows. Even if you're wearing black tights, it's still that sunlight seeps through and you can see everything. So definitely make sure that if you wear leggings, don't wear them as pants. Definitely wear something that's longer, like a two-neck, just anything longer to cover your butt. Alright guys, number two is wrong undergarments. If you're going to wear kind of like a spaghetti strap type of top, definitely don't wear your bra where you can see the bra straps. Invest in a good strapless bra. I just feel like it's kind of tasteless, kind of tacky when you're showing your bra straps and you can see that. So definitely invest in like a good strapless bra. And then the same thing goes for your bottom. Even if you're wearing jeans, you can still see the panty lines. Even if jeans are thick, depending what kind of underwear you wear, you can still see your panty line. You might want to invest in a good thong or a good seamless underwear. It's also tasteless if you're wearing kind of like a sheer dress and you can see visible panty lines. That's extremely tasteful, so definitely kind of invest in something that's more like seamless underwear or a thong, depending on what you're wearing. A dress, pants, depends on the occasion. It's definitely unattractive when you can see bra straps or panty lines through your outfit, so definitely make sure to invest in good undergarment that matches your outfit. Alright guys, number three is trying too hard. Wearing fashion trends is absolutely great, but don't wear them all at the same time. It just looks like you're trying too hard, and it also just takes away from the outfit because it looks very, very distracting. Plus, you can also kind of look tacky if you're trying to wear all the trends at the same time. So be selective with the trends that you choose and just kind of choose what works for you. You don't have to wear all the trends at the same time. Just kind of wear what you like and just kind of what works for you. Just remember that a fashion forward outfit is something that's well balanced. I just want to share like a quick story. I did a trends video at the beginning of this year. I'll leave that video linked if you guys want to check that out. I included some of the trends that were going to be big for this year, rolling in from 2019, and one of the trends was biker shorts. Now that's a trend that I absolutely love. I love to see how other girls style it. It's very pretty. I love it, but I feel like it just doesn't work for my body shape. So just because it's a trend that I like and it's just something that's trending right now, it doesn't work for my body. I just feel like it doesn't look great on me, so it's something that I'm not gonna wear. If I do wear it, it'll probably make me look uncomfortable in my outfit, and it just seems like I'm trying too hard. And that's totally okay because not every trend is for you. So remember, definitely don't try too hard. If something just doesn't work for you, for your body type, then it's just not meant for you. All right, and the next one just kind of ties into the one I just spoke about trying too hard. It just kind of all mixed in together. This one is dressing for other people. Now, it's crucial to understand that women dress for themselves. They don't dress to kind of prove a point to somebody or for somebody else. Do it for you. Like, my advice is just don't wear something just to prove something to somebody or to say that I'm wearing something that's trending, even if it's something that you don't like or something that you just necessarily won't wear. Wear something that's for you, that makes you feel confident, that makes you feel comfortable, because I promise you, if you don't feel confident or comfortable in what you're wearing, no matter how trendy, how expensive it is, it's just not going to look right, because it definitely shows in your outfit. We should not focus our mindset on getting the attention of somebody else when it comes to getting dressed. It's just something that you should definitely do for yourself, something that makes you happy, makes you comfortable, and makes you confident. All right, guys, the next one is showing too much skin or revealing too much. There's absolutely nothing wrong with dressing sexy, but knowing how to balance it and how to do it tastefully. For example, if you're wearing a crop top, don't wear it with short shorts. Just kind of offset that. Wear it with longer pants, and also vice versa. If you're gonna wear some short cutoffs, that's definitely okay if you kind of mix it in with like a oversized blazer over it, just to kind of give yourself a little balance. Something too short or too tight just doesn't look fashionable. But think of like a long slit on a dress or a skirt, or a nice open back on a top, where you're kind of revealing a little sex appeal, but not so much and so out there in your face. So again, there's nothing wrong with showing a little skin in your outfits and your looks, but just make sure to kind of balance it out and make sure to do it kind of tastefully. Alright guys, up next is wearing too much jewelry. I've learned the kind of 2-2 rule, and that just kind of means you can either wear earrings and a necklace, you can wear a necklace and a bracelet, but don't do kind of like earrings, necklace, bracelet, ring. It just starts to look like it's just too much, and you kind of start to look like a Christmas tree that's wearing too many ornaments. And if you're more of the person that kind of likes dainty jewelry, it's totally okay to kind of layer. I actually love that kind of like layering different dainty necklaces, but again, know your balance and just don't go overboard. All right guys, the next one is a very important one, and this one is clothes that don't fit or wearing the wrong size. One of the most important things to consider when shopping is to definitely make sure to know your size and shop for the right size. There's nothing worse than wearing clothes that don't fit, whether it's too small, too big, too long, too short. For example, if you buy a pair of pants that are too tight, it might reveal a muffin top. And honestly, a muffin top that you probably don't have, but because your pants are like so tight, it just reveals a muffin top. And the same thing vice versa. If you buy something that just looks oversized when it's not supposed to be, you will look like you're drowning in the outfit. And remember, you should be wearing the clothing shouldn't be wearing you. Now, if you have something already in your wardrobe that fits you too big or too long, go ahead and get that tailored. It just doesn't look right if you're wearing pants that are just like dragging the floor while you're walking. Getting things tailored is also very important. So again, definitely know what's your size when you're shopping for your outfits. You don't want to buy anything that's too small or too big. If you're wearing something that's too tight, it will make you feel uncomfortable, where you probably can't even move your arms if you're wearing a top or blazer that's too tight. You will definitely look uncomfortable, and again, it would definitely show in your outfit. Alright guys, and the last one on my list of common fashion mistakes that women make is not evolving. Fashion definitely has a tendency of repeating itself, as you kind of see the same trends just kind of circle around and come again and again. So definitely don't stay stuck in like one era, one style. You can still maintain a sense of style with a little modern twist. I definitely don't believe in like limiting yourself. I honestly feel if like maybe 6-year-old me saw my looks now, would be like, wow, that looks so different. I definitely believe in like evolving. You can still keep your core, your kind of like your home, your base, your sense of style, and kind of still evolve as the time goes on. I definitely believe that evolving your sense of style is definitely important. Alright guys, there you have it. Those are common fashion mistakes that I feel women make. I gave you guys some tips on how to kind of correct them. Again, this was a lighthearted video. This was not meant to attack or offend anyone. I want this community here to kind of be something where we all help each other. So if you guys have any other tips, go ahead and leave them below. I feel like these are common mistakes that women make. And again, I've said that I've made some of these mistakes as well. And these are all things that I've learned from, and hopefully you will as too. These are just common mistakes that women make when it comes to fashion. And I've been guilty of some of these as well. And it's just things that I've learned and evolved from. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That link is down below. There's a new video here on Sundays, on Tuesdays, and on Thursdays. And that is it, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.